Are you thinking about moving to Odenton, Maryland? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the area and show you a few homes so you can get a better feel for the city before you move. So let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Zipporah Johnson. I'm a licensed realtor for the state of Maryland, and I love helping people just like you gain all the knowledge you need to be successful on your home hunting or home selling journey. If you are looking to move to this area or any of the surrounding areas, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or schedule a Zoom meeting. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell. So today I am here on the WB&A Trail at the corner of Piney Orchard Parkway and Odenton Road, walking distance from the MARC train station. This is a local trail for the area that runs from Odenton to the Patuxent River. This is just one of the benefits of living in the city of Odenton, having easy access to a paved walking trail where you can walk, run, or even ride bikes. This is a great place for families, military personnel, and professionals alike. So if you're interested in the types of homes that are available in the area, let's hop in my car and go check out a few neighborhoods. We are here in Odenton Station. This is a townhome community with a few single families right here. So the entrance to this neighborhood is like right there. Going down the street here, there are about 3 rows of townhomes. And so it's a small little neighborhood, but they put it right here because it's right next to the MARC station. Like literally, you see those brown things right there? That's the train line. So if the train noise isn't an issue for you and you prioritize commuting and being close to the ability to hop on the train and get to DC or anywhere that the train takes you, this is a perfect neighborhood for you. Hey guys, so we are here at the next house on the list. This is right off of Odenton Road. This house is currently listed at $789. It is right off of a main road. However, it is right behind the grocery store. So you can go walk and get your groceries. You can go to Popeyes. You can go to Dollar Tree. There's a whole bunch of stuff right on the other side of the street. So convenience, you get a lot of convenience of all of these stores. You lose a little privacy as far as noise and all that kind of stuff, but this is a great house. Look how pretty the color of the outside of this house is, and it is on 0.41 acres, so just under a half an acre, and just under 3,000 square foot. So let's go inside and check it out. here in the Courts at Bonaventure neighborhood here in Odenton, Maryland. This neighborhood is right across the street from the shopping center, the Odenton Shopping Center, that also has the Giant and Dairy Queen and Dollar Tree and Popeyes. This is right off of Annapolis Road. As you can see right there, that is Annapolis Road. So you get a little bit of street noise, probably more so during the day than at night, but this is a traditional style homes built in 2011, and we're gonna go inside and check it out. Here at the Piney Orchard Residences. These homes are condo apartment style homes located seconds away from the Piney Orchard Community Center and the marketplace. These homes are perfect for single level living with in-unit laundry and patio decks to enjoy the fresh air. So let's go inside and check one of them out. Now I'm here in the Two Rivers neighborhood. This is a planned community filled with all types of different new construction homes. I'm currently standing in front of NV Homes Trevino and Santorini model. So you can build a home in this neighborhood for about $850,000, but these two homes start at $900,000 and $1 million. So let's go inside and check it out and see what they look like. Odenton is packed with housing options, multiple shopping centers, and plenty of outdoor space. Just like this neighborhood walking trail right here behind the Piney Orchards Community Center. From townhomes to traditional condos and even new construction. If home ownership is your goal, Odenton is the place for you. Give me a call if you'd like to schedule a personal tour, and let me know what you think about Odenton and the houses I showed you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.